Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Welcome back to Weld. Today's episode, we're going to be trying something different. I think this is actually one of the ones that was requested, but we're going to try welding with a stainless straw that you would have in a cup. We're going to welcome Josh to our channel today. He's going to be the one doing the welding. He just happened to be fabricating these awesome Paco mounts, so now we're going to have him doing the welding. Yeah, so check out our other videos we've been doing. We've been doing willet cut on our new water jet and cutting random things in half, and I think you're going to get interested in the things that we've been deciding to cut in half. Yeah, so we were left over with a stainless straw, so it just happened to work out. But yeah, I feel like the first step is, I guess we should wipe this with acetone. Hopefully we don't light a fire.
Do you ever just want to just light? You ever get the urge to just?
I had one light up. Like maybe just do it for fun.
Just for, yeah. Oh, with the cardboard there.
It's not even lighting up. What this shitty acetone?
Oh, it's drying it.
That is
wild, yeah.
Maybe
drying it.
It literally is.
There it is.
There we. Jesus Christ! Oh my God.
We're not gonna do that. Remember I was just talking about that too. That's probably not good.
You guys handled that way better than I just ran away. It's like call 911. I know, I forgot how. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's stuck to your boot. Oh, you're melting your fucking boot. Jeremy.
Oh, let's pour some oil on it, maybe.
Yeah.
It didn't actually melt though. It just melted to my boot. That's why.
The rag is like.
I have a hose. Don't do this at home, kids. Alyssa, good thing Alyssa's not in the shop right now. She's
I'm gonna see this later.
If this works, I'm gonna fucking quit my job. And it fucking worked really well. Like,
It was Connor.
probably Connor. Jesus Christ, Connor.
It's melting super weird, eh?
Yeah, it's definitely different.
That is super weird.
Hell?
Oh,
that
what?
is strange, eh?
That is.
Oh, did it like close in on itself?
Yeah. And it constantly is closing in on itself. I thought it'd be like really hard to wash everything in the weld pool, but not even. It just makes its own weld pool. A little hard to cook it before it cooks into that, but definitely different. Yeah.
I guess that is pretty thick.
You could
too,
fix
right?
Grandma's
Yeah.
lawnmower with it, maybe?
I mean, I think
Yeah.
Grandma's lawnmower could actually get fixed. And it's definitely stainless. Like, you can tell the color's coming out.
At the end of this series, we
Probably
have to
walk
like
all right.
jokingly.
Like if you were to walk it, the
I
probably
could
would.
try. I could try to walk it.
I mean, it made a nice weld.
This is the temp 2, so we're gonna walk the cup. I got a bigger cup on there now, and we're getting into like that sticky stuff that we couldn't even get off with acetone. So we'll see how that
and
goes.
the shop fire.
Yeah.
That makes them awesome. It actually gives you a lot of fill at once.
Yeah, I know it does, man. That looks cool.
No, it looks actually pretty good. Yeah. Feels like it's flowing nice.
Yeah, for sure.
Sick.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
That's
weld.
nicer than Sedell.
Yeah, I know it's actually really nice.
31.50 an hour. Nice.
Wow, that actually turned out super nice. Jeez.
Yeah, no, that looked neat.
Like with a little bit more time, I think I'd be able to get like an actual.
Oh yeah, I know. You get that.
So I'd be like, bring me down my goddamn calipers. Is that not hot?
She held. No, it's not.
Wow.
That might be hot.
Not if you touch it quick.